So we got a complete Becker exhaust system now. So this is the end section. So I'm gonna see if we have enough time while or before the rain picks back up to lay the entire system out on these yoga mats. But yeah, and it's not heavy at all, so that's good. Welding looks good. I do believe the system was back purged, so that's good. It does look like there's good penetration in the weld, so yeah. Let's open the other one and then see if we have enough time to lay the whole thing out and go from there. So yeah, I also can't wait to hear how this sounds.